Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I'm starting a new week of what I packed my husband for work lunch. If you are new here, just an FYI, I have an entire playlist of these types of videos throughout the years, so feel free to check that out. I will link it in the description box down below. So today for lunch, I'm giving Matt a blue Gatorade. I'm assuming it's like some kind of a berry flavor. It's just called Cool Blue. And then a caramel Starbucks Frappuccino. I get him these every once in a while. I actually have been seeing them lately at BJ's and was thinking about maybe getting a case. Not really sure. I'm going to have to check the price. And then instead of a sandwich today, I did the Yum Box. So in the back, I've got some Trader Joe's banana chips and then some pretzel sticks. I've got some English cucumber sliced up. I've got some caramel corn. This is the caramel corn nut mix, which I got from Kira in our box swap. So it's really good. So I gave him some of that. And then I cut up some pepperoni. This is the stick pepperoni that you have to like cut and peel with some cut up cheese that was off like a brick that I just sliced up. Some crackers. I put some black olives in here. I thought about putting like some kind of dip in there, but I don't think I'm gonna. I don't think it really needs it. I try to do a mix of like sweet and savory items. I am giving him an apple. I thought about cutting it up and putting it in here, but it will definitely get brown and he won't be as appealed to eat it. So I put the apple on the side and then a Nature Valley chocolate pretzel, sweet and salty granola bar. So yeah, this is lunch today and we'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday. Good morning, guys. Getting ready to pack up my husband's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Siggy's vanilla drinkable yogurt smoothie, a kiwi strawberry large Snapple, and of course, as always, the water cooler. Instead of a sandwich today, I'm doing giving him some pasta salad that has, it's like a tuna macaroni salad, but I actually used the Fall Harvest little pastas that Kira got me. And then it just has tuna, celery, carrots, red onion, and then I also put in some green pepper from my mom's garden, some mayo, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So really easy. I gave him a nice big portion. So just something different. I'm also giving him a natural choice. This is the 100% natural chicken and cheddar with dark chocolate covered almonds. It's like a little snack. And then a peanut butter dark chocolate protein bar. And this is his lunch today. We'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a cherry vanilla soda from the Whole Foods brand 365, a caramel Starbucks Frappuccino, and of course, as always, the water cooler. The sandwich you guys saw me make is on these beautiful pretzel rolls from Whole Foods. And today I put on some turkey pastrami, some everything aioli. I wanted to show you the cheese because I know that someone will ask what kind of cheese was it. It is a cheddar pepperoni cheese, so the pepperoni is actually in the cheddar. Don't quote me, but I think it's the Hormel brand, but I wouldn't quote me on that from the deli. I just got a ½ pound sliced at the deli, and Matt said it's really good. I put some spicy, like peppery arugula, and I also put some of these alfalfa sprouts, which I love, but they're hard to find. I've only seen them at Hannaford sometimes, and then at Whole Foods now I can grab them when I go down, which is like an hour away. But that is everything on the sandwich. We had some baked garlic parmesan chicken wings last night, so we did have some leftovers, so I packed him 4 little chicken wings, and I love cold chicken wings, and so does Matt, so I packed him what was left. Some grapes, large green grapes, these are huge, and then a little Halloween themed chocolate sprinkled cupcake thing by Entenmann's, which I just got in a little small box. But anyways, this is his lunch today, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a strawberry Gatorade, a mango, strawberry, apple and Eve juice, and of course, as always, the water cooler. Packed up the Yum Box today. I've got some carrot, some cucumber, and some sweet yellow pepper, all from my mom's garden, and then some garlic parmesan like ranch dip. I've got a bunch of cut up fruit, so I've got some strawberries, some raspberries, and some grapes. I've got some cut up pepperoni and a sharp cheddar cheese in here, a little mini cupcake, and then some large black olives. Matt loves olives, so I gave him a bunch of those. I'm also giving him a protein peanut butter dark chocolate granola bar, and then one of these strawberry whole milk yogurts. I bought a 6-pack for my son, and he does not like them because there are like chunks of strawberries in there. My son has a lot of food aversion and texture, like sensory texture issues, so I'm going to give this to my husband to eat. He's not the hugest fan of yogurt, but luckily he does like strawberries, so more than likely he'll probably just eat it and be fine. Yeah, and this is lunch today. We'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's Friday. We made it to the end of the week. Today I'm giving Matt an apple and Arnold Palmer half and half. This is the iced tea lemonade. And then these you're going to be seeing a lot because when I become obsessed with something, I go all in. And I actually found these originally at Target, and I got a couple for my mom to try, but I actually ended up trying one of the ones for my mom and fell so deeply in love that I went down the rabbit hole and bought a bunch more. And then I actually contacted the company and, you know, just to see like if they had any discount codes or where I could get them. And actually I was told you could get them on Amazon, which I wouldn't have known. So there is a discount code that they're running on Amazon. You can order like a case of them and get, I believe it ends up being like $5 or $5.50 off a case with the code they have. So I'll leave all that in the description box. But so far I've tried several flavors. I really like this one, and I also like the cucumber lime the best so far, but I'll be showing you guys more of these in the future. But they're Hello Water. And these, let's see if I can have the website. The website is hellowater.com. You can also follow their socials at Drink Hello Water. And it has no sugar, 5 grams of fiber, no artificial sweeteners. It actually has a natural sweetener in it. But yeah, you guys will be seeing these a lot because these have become my new obsession. You don't even want to know how many I've been drinking a day. But anyways, I'm giving him a mixed berry one of these today. I'm giving him some homemade, locally smoked. This is the maple honey, I think. Maple beef jerky from Oscar Smokehouse in Warrensburg. The wrap you guys saw me make on the jalapeno cheddar wrap with rare roast beef. We've got some alfalfa sprouts, some of that pepperoni cheddar cheese, some of that Terrapin Farms aioli, some peppery arugula. It's going to be really good for him. And Matt loves roast beef. And then lastly, I threw in one of these Natural Choice turkey and pepper jack. This one has turkey, pepper jack, and then like a dark chocolate covered blueberry. But anyways, guys, this is lunch today, Friday. I hope you enjoyed this week's What's for Lunches. If you're new here, I have an entire playlist of these that I'll put right here. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you in my next lunch video. Bye, guys.